All right, guys, so the bike is all set up. That's good. What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing the Antic Wheelie bike, and I'm gonna take you guys with me and set it all up and take it for a first ride and my first impressions. This is a big boy box. Ugh. So that I know what you guys' storage. Basically, you get the whole pretty much assembled bike. Probably have to put just the handlebars on and just one box. I'm pretty sure this is just a charger, but let's take a look what else comes in this box. No, so the charger doesn't even come here. We have the pegs, tools on top of the oh, the charger is here. Wow, that is first initial, a very tiny charger for a bike like this. Put that to the side. Some reflective stickers and some actual stickers. So we can put that to the side and cut up. We're just gonna open up all the accessories that go with it, put it to the side and get it prepared for installation. So it was rated to be at 28 miles an hour to 50. So I want to pretty much just going to tighten this in a star motion and make sure everything is tightened up all the way. So when you're riding, your handlebars doesn't go back and forth and possibly cause you to crash. So that's it. We're going to put our safety gear on and go for a spin, and I'll show you guys some footage of that. So we'll be right back. All right, so we're gonna start off at, we are on eco mode. So we're gonna start off in eco mode, do some laps around the block. It is kind of windy. The front, first impressions that the front, it does look, it feels long. Ooh, it is windy too, so, and the handlebars for me is a little bit too high, so I gotta adjust it. Oh shit, there's this construction going on over here. So we're just gonna go through that. Let's see how the thing handles in on hills. But I'm on eco mode right now. It does seem a little bit slower at the moment, and I'm not used to having a left brake. So let's turn here. Whoa, are you pulling out or what? Just gonna do a couple rounds around the block because it feels so sketchy, bro. And it's super windy, so I'm on a slight hill. Like I said, I'm on eco mode, so it's absolutely going the most slowest shit I've ever dealt with in my whole life. But now it's evened out. It's also windy. There was complaints about the tire, but they got the bottom version, the most bottomest version, And I'm a little confused why they sent me this shit at like 19%. But it has absolutely no power right now. I'm trying to go over the speed bumps. Ugh. Alright, I want to see how it handles going uphill. Because we are in San Francisco after all. Oh my gosh! Oh, I gotta go in the sidewalk. Everything just feels so sketchy right now. Alright, this one doesn't have a ramp, so we're gonna do some off-roading. Everything's so sketchy, and I don't want the camera to get caught in anything. So, it's quite an experience, but hopefully in time we will get used to it. All right, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video of unboxing and first ride with the Antic bike. All right, like I said, we're gonna charge this baby up to 100% and hopefully do some wheelies in the near future. But if you want to see more videos with the Antic bike, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Comment in the video for what I should do next. And I'll see you guys in the next one. It's your boy JB, signing out. Peace.